Why do US Europe dual taxation treaties exist? Imagine living or working in Europe while still being a US citizen. You might wonder how taxes work across borders and how to avoid paying twice on the same income. That's where these treaties come into play. They are agreements between the United States and European countries designed to make cross-border finances smoother. These treaties are made to stop the frustrating situation of paying taxes twice on the same earnings. For example, if you earn wages in France and are a US citizen, without a treaty, you could owe taxes in both countries. These agreements assign which country has the right to tax certain types of income, like wages, pensions, or dividends. This helps reduce your overall tax bill. Another big reason for these treaties is to clarify tax rules. They define who is considered a resident and how different income categories are taxed. This makes it easier for Americans living or working abroad to understand their tax obligations. It also helps avoid conflicts when residency is unclear. These rules often include tiebreaker provisions to decide which country has the main taxing rights. Retirees benefit too. Many treaties include special rules for pensions and Social Security payments. For example, an American retiree in Italy might pay less tax on their pension because of the treaty, or even get certain payments tax-free. This makes retirement planning more predictable and financially manageable. When you work in Europe, these treaties also help you avoid surprises. If you pay taxes in the country where you work, you can often claim a credit or exemption when filing your US taxes. For instance, if you pay Italian taxes on your income, you can usually deduct or credit that amount against your US tax liability. This prevents you from paying full taxes twice. It's important to note that some US treaties include a saving clause. This means the US can still tax its citizens as if the treaty didn't exist, which can limit some benefits. But there are exceptions, especially for students, teachers, or short-term residents. Knowing about these treaties is essential for Americans living, working, or retiring in Europe. They help lower your tax burden, clarify your responsibilities, and make managing your finances easier. Be aware that some US states might not honor these treaties, so state taxes could still apply. In short, these agreements exist to make cross-border living and working easier. They prevent double taxation, clarify tax rules, and help you keep more of your money while enjoying life abroad.